What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Tesla video. We got some big things going on, especially in terms of the cheap $25,000 Tesla that everyone is talking about. Recently, we haven't really gotten a lot of news about Tesla and the $25,000 car, and I think partly because we do have a lot of focus in China. You do have a lot of people talk about Teslas right now, and the media is going pretty crazy. Like, you got some things happening in China, you got people protesting about it, social media is blowing up about it. That's a whole different story, but let's talk about the Model 2. This is frankly way more important, and we got a lot of people really waiting on this car, especially how the Model 3 recently just got price increased to $39,000. It's not really that cheap. In fact, it's pretty expensive. It's more expensive than most luxury vehicles out there. And everyone's trying to go for a cheaper electric vehicle, especially here in North America. Cheap electric vehicles almost don't exist. EVs are extremely expensive. You got several startups like Rivian and also Lucid. They're selling their cars for a lot of money, and we really want something that's pretty affordable, like maybe a hatchback that's fully electric by Tesla. $25,000 seems extremely appealing, especially how we get like a Biden EV tax credit. We could be seeing maybe $18,000, $19,000 for the Tesla Model 2 after all those savings. But if we head over to China, this is where they're beginning the Tesla Model 2 series. Tesla has already hired several major analysts and also designers, research teams around the Shanghai region. They want to make it very personal because they will be selling the Model 2 in China. It's not going to be sold anywhere else when it first comes out. And a lot of people are saying that we should be seeing some rumors and the first look of the Model 2 around late 2021. And it will be under production 2022. First deliveries around 2022 as well. We shouldn't be seeing the car being delivered to North America or Europe until the next 2 to 3 years. It will be sold exclusively in China for the next several years. So just hold on. I know that sounds very discouraging, but we should be seeing a lot of ramp up. We should be seeing some factory details. The moment when you see, factories breaking ground here in the US or over there in Europe, we should be seeing a huge production surge for the Model 2 because Tesla has already satisfied their production facilities. All their facilities right now are meant for something. The Berlin Gigafactories for the Model Y and Model 3, the Austin Gigafactories for the semi-truck, the Cybertruck, and also maybe the Roadster. So if we see any new factories breaking ground in North America or Europe, that means it will most likely be for the Model 2 series, this cheaper $25,000 Tesla car. And this vehicle is very big because there's a lot of rumors that Tesla has acquired several pieces of land alongside with some ground rent deals. And it's south of its current location. It's also separated by a canal, and there's a new road that's being built. It's about half the size of the current Gigafactory plot. And the latest news has also showed that Tesla has already filed official information with the Chinese government to make a new car. This is why they're buying land, they're leasing land, and they're breaking ground. They're not stupid. They're only doing that because they will be making a new vehicle. So many leaks and rumors are pointing to a Chinese Model 2 hatchback. First of all, they've already hired a brand new research and design team. They wouldn't hire this sort of thing if they're not making a new product, which this new product is the Model 2. And they're breaking ground on this massive factory. Their current factory production units are satisfactory for the push of the Model Ys and Model 3s. But here's the thing, you don't need a whole separate factory because this whole separate factory will not actually be part of the official Shanghai Gigafactory for the Model 1 and Model 3. Instead, it'll be for a different product. I don't really think Tesla makes any other products. They already have a factory dedicated to the charging facility V3 stalls, and that's like a few miles away from the Shanghai Gigafactory. This current one, which is nicknamed Gigafactory Shanghai 2, will probably be for the Model 2. And it's very, very exciting. And we also have been seeing some big deals in rumors. You do have the Tesla Model 2 or the Model $25,000 being accelerated to 2022 in production. And it's massive news. And the previous assumption was 2024 and 2025 for this brand new Tesla. Elon Musk in the past several months, he has been saying that he really was making a cheaper alternative $25,000 Tesla. It's way better. And because China has so many EV rivals coming out with cheaper vehicles ranging from $20,000 to $30,000, a lot of people are snatching them up, and Tesla is kind of scared that they might be losing a ton of market share if they don't be launching something that's more cheaper. So they will be doing that. The Model 2 will be more competitive in the cheaper segment market. If you have more money, you could clearly go for the Model S or the Model X, 3, or Y. But if you want something cheaper, the Model 2 will definitely be the one for you. And Tesla right now has also started making a massive highway because they need to meet the expansion needs. And there's a bunch of updates, leaks and videos out there showing off the Shanghai Gigafactory's eastern side. It's under intensive construction, and the current focus of the construction is the bridges. There's a bunch of bulldozers, excavators. They're driven to the work site in the south area, and this new factory is currently being built, and there should be a massive highway and also parking lot. Because in February this year, all the analysts out there are saying that Tesla will be most likely increasing annual production of the Shanghai Gigafactory from 250,000 cars to almost 500,000 cars this year. And because there's so many sedans coming out and Tesla gaining even more popularity, they need to have a bigger highway and more parking spots. I think just looking at the expansion of the parking spots is good enough to determine if Tesla's gonna be growing or not. And Tesla's planned $25,000 car could end up being one of the most popular electric vehicles in the future. There's a lot of Chinese brands right now that's trying to catch up, but I feel like with this brand new vehicle coming out, it will be a massive show off and really hit the competition pretty hard. And with a release date as early as 2022 and first deliveries around the area for this upcoming cheap car is very exciting. Elon Musk has been pretty conservative about any time frames because he doesn't really want to be wrong. The EV community initially expected 2024, 2025, but they have already started construction of the Shanghai Gigafactory. A lot of individuals simply do not care about that. They like to look at the cars themselves, but it's always really nice to see production. They will not be making this factory if it's not for the Model 2. It makes no sense to make another whole separate factory for charging stalls. They already have one. It makes no sense for the Model 3 or the Model Y. They already have production facilities for that. It could only mean the Model 2 because they already publicly announced that they will be hiring local talent for a brand new hatchback vehicle. Definitely stay tuned. We also could be seeing autopilot being included for the $25,000 Tesla, and hopefully this vehicle will be coming here to the United States as quick as possible. There's a lot of individuals here in North America and also Europe who are extremely excited of the Model 2. It's one of those cars that everyone really wants because it's really cheap. Instead of buying like a brand new Toyota sedan, why not buy a beautiful Tesla hatchback that's fully electric? You got like autopilot, and a lot of people who are in the gig economy really love Teslas because it's like zero emissions. You don't have to go to the gas station. It's super cheap to use. And the popularity of Teslas are rising, and I feel like the $25,000 Tesla will really get the share prices going up, increase sales, and get more people buying Tesla vehicles. It's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, guys, and comment below. Definitely subscribe for more Tesla news.